אין לי זמן, תודה. מי מגיע? אשר? אוקיי, תודה.
What it did to us, it raised a lot of questions. Why do we have to pay the price of bringing here gangs of terrorists from Tunis, and they absolutely, the leadership of the Palestinian people did not show any willing to any peace or taking any peace steps, and we have to pay the price for it. It's something which is unspeakable all around the world. Imagine tourists come into your country and they terrorize your leadership and they tell you to go because they are frightened of them. So this is kind of a surrender to terror, and we cannot agree with it. צילמנו את כולם. וזה בקטיף בכלל, זה לא פה. זה בקטיף. זה היה ביום עצמאות. איפה התמונה היא? If you can see this huge eucalyptus tree, this was about 1/2 meter tall when I got it and planted it 26 years ago. You can see the powerful tree right now. We've been looking after it. Now it's getting its water from deep in the ground. Its roots is getting very deep. And this is a kind of an example to how we feel here. Our roots are very deep in the ground here, and we're not going anywhere. People who plant trees as such are very sure that they can remain here, stay here, and build their homes. And I invite you in 10, 20 years' time to see us and speak to us.